Look at this towel, okay? Turkish, made in Turkey. Not anymore. Now it's an Albanian towel.
Right. But what if I told you there's a way to do something almost as clever, without breaking the law? No shady deals, no Albanian towels, just real tech, branded as your own. That's called white label, and it's 100% legit. And in this video, you'll learn what white label is and how people make money with it, how to set up your personal agency branding in under 10 minutes, and how to create fully personalized client landing pages without writing a single line of code. So if you've ever wanted to build your own brand on top of a real working product, watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot to cover. Let's get into it. Let's start with white label. It's the most powerful and polished part of your brand. You know the drill. Buy shirts from China, slap on your logo, and boom, you've got a brand. Boomerangme works the same way, except you're building a SaaS platform instead of shirts. Everything your client sees, logos, colors, links, even landing pages, can match your agency style. No mention of Boomerangme anywhere. Just you. So to set up white label with Boomerangme, go to settings and open the white label tab. The first step is to connect your custom domain. This can be your main domain or a subdomain, like platform.youragency.com. The connection is made via a simple CNAME record, and you can find step-by-step instructions right here. Next, dashboard branding. Here's what you can customize: light and dark mode logos, interface colors, buttons, backgrounds, menus, text, meta tags, social preview images, and more. This makes the entire platform look like it was built by your agency. Clients will never question who owns the software. And what about scanner branding? This is the design of the mobile scanner your clients will use to scan loyalty cards. You can customize the logo, colors, text, and preview how it will look on a phone. And last but not least, promo page branding. This is essentially a fully custom landing page that you can show to your clients. Here, you can choose your own colors, fonts, and styling. You can even add meta tags and tracking pixels if you want to monitor traffic. This gives you a ready-to-use page for outreach, ads, emails, fully branded and tracked. Boom. You now have a white label SaaS platform. No developers, no designers. Just a few clicks. By the way, you probably noticed the other settings tab. That's where you connect integrations, and we covered this in a previous video. Make sure to check it out if you haven't already. Now, let's talk about custom client landing pages, what we call proposals. As soon as you create a sub account for a potential client, you can instantly send them a personalized proposal. We have a full video that walks you through how to use Richie AI to find leads and create sub accounts. Check the description for that. But here's the short version. Go to prospecting. Pick a local business, cafe, bar, restaurant, doesn't matter. Click create sub account. Fill in the details. Done. They're now in your system. Now comes the fun part. In the sub account section, find your newly added client and click proposal. This opens a fully personalized landing page created for that client. Richie AI automatically fills in the restaurant's name and location. The proposal page includes sample loyalty cards using real photos and brand assets from the business. A downloadable demo card that your client can test right away. Whether it's a restaurant, bar, or barbershop, they'll see exactly how it works. No guesswork, no friction. You can't change the core content of the proposal page, but you can apply your own branding. Logo, domain, colors, and everything else. Richie AI takes care of it. Richie is your built-in sales assistant. It gathers open source data and turns it into conversion-ready content. Want to learn how to do all of this step by step? Join our free online workshop. We'll show you exactly how to build your funnel and land your first clients this month. Links in the description. And now you know, white label isn't about the products. It's about powerful packaging. Boomerangme gives you a product that works. You give your clients real results under your own name, your own brand. Don't forget to subscribe. More sales and marketing tutorials for agencies are on the way. See you in the next video.